So for today's drawing, I'm not going to draw any plus sign or anything. I will do one arch over here, just little bit rough idea. This is going to be double line, and I want one leaf over here. One leaf I will just do a little bit. This area I will cover, and maybe one leaf is coming here, but it's going this way. And one I will draw here, kind of like a lip shape over here. And other one I'm going to draw a little bit down and overlapping style. Now it looks really long, so I will go and connect over here. Start the detailing, so I will do one over here, second one, third, fourth, and so 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, so we can adjust this one a little bit going up here, then we will get a little bit more space over here on the bottom. Thing I'm going to do for this one, so I will start 1 2 3 4, maybe I will do a little bit small here, so 5. Now I did one more here to draw 6 of them. That's totally fine. Now I'm going to draw one kind of like a squarey or rectangular shape, but soft corners. So one over here, the second one I will do next to that, and then third one will be here. From here I'm going to draw another one, and if you are going a little bit out, that's totally fine. So this one looks really big compared to other ones, so I will make this one small, and I will make this one almost same size. Now just like a brick, so I will not start immediately from here. I will start in the middle. So over here we can do one, and then from here the second one will start. Now for this one, this is going to be the stem over here, double lines, and in the middle over here I will start going this direction, and then I will turn this one straight going up, or maybe a little bit curvy because this line is curvy, so this is also curvy parallel to this line, and I will do one sharp V over here, and then one tiny one, and when I'm coming back I will make it wider here. Now other one will go behind this, so I will go this way and point it over here and wider here. One will go here, from here same point I started, same point I will start again. I will go up, and then I will go straight, and then I will go down a little bit, and I will start from here little bit thick, and can draw here just like alphabet V. For this one, we can do the same thing like this over here. So first we are going to draw two lines. And we'll start from the middle. We'll go smiley and then alphabet S, and it will come over here. The other one will go thicker and then thinner. One we can draw this way, other we can go just behind that. Now this line I will pull it over here. This one will go all the way here. So when this one is going from here, it will start from here, and this one, so when it's going to connect here, it will turn like curvy line. Now from here I'm going to draw one leaf, and this line, it will turn curvy, and this one will go kind of like a pointed here. From here, kind of like a heart shape, and this is a rough idea again. And the leaf edge is going to be like this way. So this one I did here, so I will do another one from here and curve it, this one. So like this side one, all of them, I'm just going to leave little bit white over here, top white, but sides are going to be dark, so we can make lines like that. So like this was in the center, so we will shade this side, we will shade this side. So we are going to shade both sides like this, and just a little bit on the top over here. So bottom two of them, we are going to leave little bit of space here, and then we will do shading only here. It's not very clear, so let me do it on this one. So it will be like leaving a little bit white space over here. Same thing I'm going to do here. Sides I will shade and bottom I will do, but I will leave little bit of space over here. Now I'm going to shade this one. So I shaded a little bit next to the line, so I will erase and I will make sure I'm not shading next to the line, just little bit gap. And from the bottom I will start and I will leave little bit space over here and then I will shade it just like that. So in this area I'm going to shade only on right hand side. Now for this one we will shade here and few strokes will go here. When I'm going to shade this one, I will just leave little bit white area over here, and then I'm going to shade over here. So when I'm shading, I'm thinking lines are coming this way. Same thing we will do from this side. So this line we have over here, I will make it dark a little bit. So from here, these ones will come this direction. So I will start here first. And this area we are not going to leave any white space. For the sleeve, we are going to leave little bit white space over here, and these will come this direction and these will go in this direction.